Look at your screen. Right now, you mastered episode 1. You know how to control the answer. You mastered episode 2. You know how to control the logic. But you are still falling into the biggest trap in the AI industry. Fake productivity. You are sitting there, typing prompts manually, waiting for the cursor to blink, copying the result, pasting it into an email, fixing the format. You think you are an AI expert, but actually, you are just a slow, expensive typist for a supercomputer. As long as you are the one typing, you are the bottleneck. You are the latency. You are the reason your business cannot scale to 10,000 customers. Stop chatting. Start building. We are moving from being a user to being an architect. We are not looking for answers anymore. We are building engines that run while you sleep. This is episode 3, the Automation Architect. Today, we kill the manual workflow. Let's execute. Welcome to episode 3. This is technique 1, the Modular Brick System scalability. The first technique is the Modular Brick System. Most people write one giant, messy paragraph for every task. This is a disaster. If you want to change the tone, you have to rewrite everything. The architect treats prompts like Lego bricks. You build separate blocks for persona, context, and task, then stack them together. Here is the real-world case. You run a marketing agency. You need to create content for 3 different clients, a gym, a law firm, and a bakery. The task is the same, write a post, but the persona is different. Writing 3 new prompts is a waste of time. Here is the solution. You create variables. You simply tell the system, swap the persona brick, keep the task brick. The prompt script, system, define the following variables. Variable A is the persona. Act as a high-energy fitness coach. Variable B is the context. We are selling a summer weight loss program. Variable C is the task. Write a 3-part Instagram caption. Instruction, execute variable C, utilizing the voice of variable A and the data from variable B. Action, now, generate the result. By using this, you can switch variable A to corporate lawyer in 1 second, and the entire system updates automatically. Now is technique 2, the simulated boardroom, decision-making. The second technique is the simulated boardroom. Stop asking AI for one opinion. In business, a single opinion is dangerous. You need a debate. You need to see the risks before you decide. You can automate this entire conflict. Here is the real-world case. You are about to launch a risky new product. If you ask AI, is this good? It will be polite and say yes. You don't need polite. You need a stress test. You need a CFO to yell at you about the budget. Here is the solution. You force the AI to simulate 3 conflicting experts in one room. The prompt script. Act as a board of directors with 3 distinct members. Member 1, the aggressive CEO. You focus on growth and ignore costs. Member 2, the conservative CFO. You hate spending money and focus on risk. Member 3, the mediator. You find the middle ground. Topic: we want to spend $50,000 on TikTok ads. Instruction: make member 1 and member 2 argue for 3 rounds. They must criticize each other. Then, have member 3 deliver the final verdict based on the strongest argument. Now, you don't get a generic answer. You get a full strategic risk analysis, fully automated. Now is technique 3, the silent API bridge, data connection. The third technique is the silent API bridge. This is the most critical skill for automation. The biggest problem with AI is that it is too polite. It creates chatter. Chatter breaks software. Here is the real-world case. You want to connect AI to a Google Sheet using Zapier. You want it to extract a client's budget from an email. If the AI says, sure, I found the budget. It is $500. That sentence is garbage. Your spreadsheet only wants the number 500. The rest of the words will break your formula. Here is the solution. You must command the AI to be a headless machine. The prompt script. Role: you are a JSON data extractor. You are not a chat assistant. Input text. Client says their budget is around 5K. Output requirement. Return only the raw JSON format with the key budget and the value 5,000. Forbidden. Do not write here is the JSON. Do not say hello. Do not explain. If you speak any conversational text, the automation fails. Begin. This ensures clean, Pure data flows from the AI directly into your database. No humans needed. Next is technique 4, the traffic cop logic, routing. The fourth technique is the traffic cop logic. Automation is useless if it is stupid. Linear automation sends everything to the same place. But business is dynamic. You need the AI to categorize and route information. Here is the real-world case. You automate your customer support inbox. If a VIP client emails you, you want to draft a customized priority draft. If a spammer emails you, you want to ignore it. If you treat them the same, you lose the client. Here is the solution. You teach the AI to read, label, then route. The prompt script. Analyze the sentiment and priority of this incoming email. Step 1. Classify. Label this email as either VIP urgent, standard, or spam. Step 2. Logic gate. If the label is VIP urgent, output action required and draft a priority response. If the label is spam, output delete. Instruction: do not reply to spam. Only execute the logic for the label you chose. Now, your AI acts like a traffic cop, protecting your time and filtering the noise. And now is the last, but not least. Hacking technique 5, the recursive quality chain, quality control. The final technique is the recursive quality chain. In a manual workflow, you check your own work. In an automated workflow, who checks the AI? If you don't have a self-correction mechanism, you are automating mistakes at high speed. Here is the real-world case. You automate a blog writer. The AI writes a draft. It hallucinates a fake statistic. It publishes it to your website. You look foolish. You need an automated editor. Here is the solution. You force the AI to run a loop. Draft, audit, fix. The prompt script. Perform the following 3-phase recursive chain. Phase 1, draft. Write the article based on the headline. Phase 2, audit. Review the draft from Phase 1. Act as a harsh critic. Identify logic gaps and weak grammar. List them. Phase 3, final polish. Rewrite the draft from Phase 1, fixing every error identified in Phase 2. Final output rule. Display only the result from Phase 3. Hide the working process. With this, you never receive the first draft. You receive the third, polished, professional version. You have automated the quality control. Take a deep breath. Look at what you just built. You have the modular bricks for speed, the boardroom for wisdom, the silent bridge for data, the traffic cop for safety, and the quality chain for perfection. You have removed yourself from the loop. You are no longer a user. You are an architect. The system runs without you. But there is one massive question left. Now that you have a factory that can produce infinite, high-quality work automatically, who are you going to sell it to? You have the factory. Now you need the empire. Episode 4 isn't about prompting. It isn't about automation. Episode 4 is about monetization. We are going to take these systems and turn them into a high-paid AI agency. We are going to talk about business models, pricing, and selling these architectures. Prepare yourself. Comment the word empire if you are ready to monetize. Class dismissed.